Finance Style Guide in Google Docs. Investor Comms Consistency. Investors make snap judgments. In seconds, they assess your clarity and credibility from how you write, not just what you say. A consistent tone, calm, direct, and professional, reduces confusion and perceived risk, especially when numbers and forecasts are involved. When every memo, deck, and update sounds like the same disciplined team, decision-makers feel safer engaging. Over time, tight alignment with your brand voice builds trust. Investors know what to expect, and that reliability becomes an asset. Think of consistency as financial signal strength. Clear, stable communication helps your message cut through noise and earns you the benefit of the doubt. A strong guide defines voice and tone for investor moments, earnings updates, fundraising decks, risk disclosures, and Q&A follow-ups. It sets formatting rules, how to write headings, dates, numbers, and tables so everything looks uniform. It covers language rules, approved terminology, how to introduce acronyms, and when to avoid jargon. Include visual basics too. Correct logos, colors, and chart styles, so slides and PDFs feel coherent. Add short examples for each rule. The goal: any team member can open the guide, copy a pattern, and produce investor-ready content without guesswork. Start with a proven style guide template and adapt it to your fund or startup. Apply named headings, heading 1 to 3. So structure is clear, and auto-generate a table of contents for quick navigation. Share the doc with explicit edit or view permissions, and encourage comment threads for questions. Protect quality by locking core sections, mission, voice principles, and terminology, so only owners can change them. Add bookmarks for key areas like numbers and disclaimers. This setup turns the guide into a living reference that's searchable, maintainable, and safe from accidental edits. Use a confident, measured, evidence-led voice. Lead with data, cite sources, and state uncertainty plainly. Avoid hype. Swap vague intensifiers for precise verbs. Use outperformed, declined, expanded instead of crushed it or skyrocketed. Tailor to audience. Institutional readers expect concise analysis and risk context. Retail readers need definitions and plain language. Include do-don't examples. Do. Revenue grew 12% year-over-year, driven by unit economics, improving to 48% gross margin. Don't. Revenue absolutely soared, thanks to amazing margins. Your tone should signal discipline under pressure. Standardize units. Write currencies as 3.2 million United States dollars, not $3.2 million. Use BPS for basis points and define units on first use. Set rounding rules, e.g., 2 decimals for percentages, 1 for billions, whole numbers for counts. Specify significant figures for estimates versus audited figures. Choose a date/time format and stick with it. Either ISO, the 15th of March 2025, or US, March 15th, 2025. Note time zones as UTC or local with offset. Clarify percent versus percentage points. Margin increased by 2 percentage points, from 10% to 12%, not up 2%. Precision here prevents costly misunderstandings. Create an approved glossary with definitions and usage notes for key terms. Run rate, ARR, EBITDA, drawdown, LTV/CAC. On first mention, spell out, then add the acronym in parentheses. Assets under management, AUM. Use the acronym thereafter. Ban vague buzzwords like, quote, synergy, world-class, cutting-edge. Replace with measurable claims. Reduced time to close by 28%. Note regional spelling rules. Choose US, organization, color, or UK, organization, color, and apply consistently, especially in legal and compliance sections. The glossary keeps teams aligned and speeds up editing. Define a clear heading hierarchy, H1/H2, H3, consistent margins, and readable font sizes. Standardize bullets and numbering so lists scan the same across docs. Set chart rules. Include axis labels, units, sources, and timeframes. Avoid 3D effects. Limit palette to approved brand colors with high contrast for accessibility. Specify how to show deltas, green for improvement, neutral gray for changes. Place disclaimers and risk statements consistently, e.g., end of page or first appendix slide, and never shrink the text below body size. Consistency reduces friction and protects compliance. Make adoption easy with quick reference examples and ready-to-use templates for updates, memos, and investor decks. Use Google Docs comments for real-time coaching. Link to rules, propose edits, and resolve decisions visibly. Assign owners and schedule quarterly reviews to update terms, examples, and visual rules as markets or brand evolve. Track adherence with a lightweight checklist at the top of the guide. Links to numbers, voice, disclaimers, and charts. Celebrate wins. Share before/after examples to reinforce the habit. A maintained guide turns consistency into a competitive advantage.